Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm finally here. I finally finished up the last few things to make this van completely become a home on wheel for me while I'm traveling across the USA. So right now it's early in the morning. It's a little bit cloudy outside. And you can see it look bright here because when I'm recording this, I have a light shining on. So hold on, let me turn up the light and see how it look like from the inside. So this is how it looked like actually at around almost 8 now a.m. And right now I'm parking in my driveway, and the way the bed set up, I'm comfortably lying in the bed by myself. So let me turn this around so you can see. So I'm 5'8", so I'm completely fit in here. So let me do a 380 around. Oh no. Actually, I can comfortably sit in the bed. Let me see. So as you can see, I can sit comfortably in the bed. So let me give you a peek to the outside. Well, first of all, let's do a 360-degree all the way around. So right here is the front. Of course, you can see. I will give you a full tour a little bit later when I load everything in. But that's how it looked like in the morning. A little bit of light on the top, but you know what? At least, I don't have to use the light when I wake up, right? So this is the right side of the car. So let's peek outside. See the outside? All the way around. So I installed this over the weekend. I bought a set of curtain. Well, it's not a set, it's just a single piece. Instead of having two pieces, there's only one piece. But it's a long 84-inch long lengthwise. So I used that in the front right there a little bit. Hold on, let me turn on the light. It's kind of dark in here. So I used one sheet in the front. Actually, did I cut it? Yeah, I did cut it. Because I try to use this and the back as one package instead of, having to buy two packets because they cost like, what, $10? So right now I haven't, remember if you, I'm going to give you a link to the previous video when I attached these using the snap button. Pretty simple stuff. So what you want to do when you make these, if you're going to use this system, you're going to mark where you want to put the snap in, right? But you got to be careful what you do because you have to start out where end first. Put one there, put them in. These are pretty easy. All you have to do is use a nail. Once you already put that piece up there, you put the fabric on there and use a nail and punch a hole through the fabric, and then you will insert the kit in, and then use a little tool that comes with the kit and a hammer, and hammer it down until the inside here is sprayed out, and it's done. But yeah, it's pretty easy to put them up. I mean, why did I choose to do curtain instead of a lot of van driver using was those what was it called, the silver thing? I can't remember those. So why did I use these? I mean, I could just leave it like this right? I could just have it like this. I mean, it's good enough, right? But then I'm losing, space. So I just put a couple snap button. That will give me a little bit more space inside the van when I'm in here. I will show you once we go outside. That was unintended benefit to having these. Pretty. See, I'm leaving it like this, so that way I can pick out a little bit if something going on outside, But you see now by having those buttons, I get a little bit more room up here inside. See, I like to use the curtain because a lot of these are made with cotton and other fabric material. Because when you're sleeping, there's a lot of moisture through the night. They said when you sleep in here, you're gonna put out about half a liter of water. And water, when it's cold, it's gonna stick into the mirror. I mean the glass. There's gonna be so if you have fabric in here, it will soak into the fabric. And you see how this look like a cocoon, a blanket, all the way around. So it keep you nice and toasty when it's cold at night. And also during daytime, it block out a lot of radiant heat from the sun. I actually sit in here. It was like maybe 98 degrees, but I don't feel hot at all because the radiant heat doesn't go through the curtain. I say there's one benefit that I didn't expect to have with this setup, and I will show you right now. So this is one of those unexpected results from this build. It's kind of have a shade when I'm sitting here looking out. See, like that. So sometimes you want to sit and look, but you don't want to sun coming in and beat you, right? So that'll be a shade for you. But let's say you want to open up for ventilation and you don't want to ever just take a nap in here or something, and you don't want people to know that you're taking a nap in here, but still keep you cool. So now the curtain cover, but you have ventilation going on through here when you're chilling in here during a sunny day, out there in the middle of nowhere. Also, you have ventilation going through here if you leave this open like this. Right now I only have one door open. I could have the other side open also. Oh, I put this in. I bought this a box of these laminate flooring. Like I said, this whole build is removable. Nothing is permanent in here. I just have to put them together in pieces. I previously have I built a curtain using a rod through here, but I found out I keep hitting my head on it. So this is a better way of hooking up the curtain. All right, that's my. This van pretty much done. It's ready for moving in. So thank you for watching, and take care and be safe out there. I will see you on the next video. Bye now.